till you are 25, ecosystem will inspire you. After you cross 25, you should become the strength for the ecosystem. That is the life. You can't go on expect that ecosystem should treat you cutely and that should support you and be a strength for you. No. Initially, it's okay. First 25 years. And in the modern day, I'll tell you, you are far more mentally, psychologically, informatively matured than Hindu village kid. So you don't need 25 years. I think by the time you are 18, or I'll say even the modern day 16, you claim so much of freedom and power and authority due to the society structure, but you don't take the responsibility. I want to tell you, all Hindu kids claiming too much of freedom and throwing tantrum without taking the responsibility, you are destroying Hinduism and living enlightenment tradition. By 16 to 18, all Hindu kids should start supporting the ecosystem of enlightenment. You can't be anymore just sucking the ecosystem, be the load on the ecosystem through all your tantrums and expecting you to be treated very cute. No. The moment you cross 18, you should become ferocious with yourself and learn to be the support for the ecosystem. I tell you, dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. When you support dharma, dharma supports you. When you protect dharma, dharma protects you. Just because we had few failures in few wars and lost the land due to traitors does not mean our civilization principles are wrong. If you think just because we lost few wars and land due to traitors, the principles are wrong, you are a fool. Like how some of the fools are still believing, just if you are involved in voting alone during the election period once in 5 years, you can maintain Hindu civilization. No. A constant involvement and activism is required to keep the Hindu civilization alive and to revive the Hindu civilization. Unfortunately, even modern day Hindus strongly believe if you make the right decision on the voting day and vote, then it is all done. No. It is wrong. Everyday activism, involvement into the society is required to revive Hindu civilization and Hindu principles. I don't know when Hindus are going to wake up to this truth, but I will keep these truths alive at least in one corner of the world in the form of Kailasa. Kailasa is seed bank of Hinduism. Just like how Manu built a ship and kept all the best seeds alive to revive post-deluge, post-pralaya. Same way, I am building Kailasa and keeping all the seeds, the best things of Hinduism alive to revive the post-pralaya. Sambhavami yuke yuke. I will come again and do this work. I have come for this work and I will perform it. I will achieve it. To tell you honestly, I have done it. I just have to do further expansion.